everyone, welcome back to the ENGLIO. Today we are going to learn common English conversations that will help us speak English more naturally and fluently. So, let's begin. Definition of short English conversations is a brief and simple exchange between two or more people, usually about an everyday situation. So guys, in simple words, we are going to practice some short and easy English conversations for everyday situation. So please listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's improve our English speaking skills together. And one more thing guys, that the first 12 conversations are mainly question based. So I suggest that be focused. Let's start. Our first conversation is between two friends. So, lesson number 13, conversation number 1, meeting a friend. Hey, it's been a long time. How have you been? I have been great. What about you? I'm doing well. What have you been up to lately? I have been busy with my studies. That's nice. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I think so. But why? Let's grab a coffee and catch up. Yeah, sure. Moving on to conversation number 2, which is at the market. Excuse me, how much are these apples? They are $3 a kilo. That's a little expensive. Can you lower the price? I can give you a small discount. Great. I will take 2 kilos, please. Sure. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Please come again. Now for conversation number 3, which takes place at a cafe. Hi, can I get a cup of coffee please? Sure. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot please. And I would like a slice of chocolate cake. Would you like anything else? No, that's enough for me. That will be $8. Here you go. Thank you. You are welcome. Enjoy. Let's practice conversation number 4, which is how to speak on the phone like a native. So, let's start. Hello, may I speak to Sarah please? Sure. Who is calling? It's Emma. Is she available? She is not here right now. Could you ask her to call me back? Of course, I'll give her your message. Thanks. I really appreciate it. Welcome. Conversation number 5, which takes place at school between two children. So, did you finish today's homework? Almost. I still have a question left. Which question are you stuck on? Number 5. I don't understand it. Let me take a look. Do you know how to solve it? Yes, I'll explain it to you. Moving on to conversation number 6, which covers a typical day at the workplace. Okay, so have you finished the report? Not yet. I am working on the final section. Do you need any help? Actually, yes. Could you check these numbers? Sure, I'll take a look. Thanks. I want to make sure everything is correct. No problem. I'll check them now. Ah, thank you. Let's jump into conversation number 7, which is all about catching a bus. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? Yes, it does. How long does it usually take? About 20 minutes, depending on traffic. Great. Where should I get off? Get off at the main bus stop. Thank you for your help. Welcome. By the way, guys, have you ever traveled by a local bus? If yes, so let me know in the comment box. Next up, conversation number 8, which covers describing your symptoms to a doctor. So let's take a look. What brings you here today? I've had a bad headache since yesterday. Do you have a fever? No, but I feel very tired. Have you been getting enough rest? Not really. I have been working a lot lately. Try to get some rest and drink plenty of water. Sure, doctor. Conversation number 9, which covers placing a food order. So, are you ready to order? Yes, I would like a chicken sandwich, please. Would you like fries with that? Yes, please. And a glass of orange juice. Sure. Anything else? No, that's everything. Your order will be ready shortly. I'm waiting. Now for conversation number 10, which is a quick chat with a neighbor. Hi, how are you doing? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well. Did you just move in? Yes, I moved in last week. Welcome to the neighborhood. Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly. If you need anything, just let me know. Okay, I will. Now for conversation number 11, which is all about shopping for clothes. And girls should definitely need to know this one. Am I right? Tell me in the comment box. Okay, so let's start. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a large size? Let me check. What size do you need? I need a large. Yes, we have one in large. Can I try it on? Of course, the fitting rooms are over there. Thanks. I'll try it on. Conversation number 12, which covers asking a classmate about homework. Did the teacher give us any homework today? Yes, we have to complete 2 exercises. When do we have to submit them? By tomorrow morning. Oh, I almost forgot about that. Don't worry, they are pretty easy. Great, I will finish them tonight. If you need any help, just let me know. So, remember, guys, helping your classmates with their studies is super important. So, always support each other. Moving on to conversation number 13, which is a chat during an online session. So, let's start. The online class is about to start. I am ready, but my internet is acting up again. Oh no, I hope it does not disconnect. Me too, the audio keeps breaking up. Try turning your camera off, it might help. Good idea. I'll try that now. Hopefully, it works better. Let's see how two friends map out a perfect birthday plan. So, I am planning a small birthday party this weekend. Oh, that sounds exciting. I'm inviting a few close friends and family members. Nice. Are you making the cake yourself? No way. I'm ordering a chocolate cake. Good choice. Chocolate cake is always a winner. Exactly. I can't wait. Next up, conversation number 15, which covers a quick airport scenario. So, let's take a look. Excuse me, I'm looking for gate number 12. It's upstairs near the food court. Thank you. I don't want to miss my flight. Don't worry, you still have plenty of time. That's good to know. Boarding starts at 7:30. Perfect. Thanks for your help. Have a safe journey. Next up, conversation number 16, which is set at a hotel reception. So let's take a look. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Ali Khan. Welcome, sir. Let me check your reservation. Sure. Yes, I have found it. Your room is ready. Great. Is breakfast included? Yes. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10. Perfect. Thank you. Your room is this way. Next up, conversation number 17, which covers a standard weather conversation. So, it looks like rain is on the way. I know the sky has been getting darker. I should have brought an umbrella. I brought one. We can share it. That's really kind of you. No problem. Let's hurry before it starts. Good idea. Next up, conversation number 18, which covers setting up a plan with a friend. So, let's take a look. I'm free this evening. Great. Let's do something fun. How about watching a movie? Sounds good to me. There is a new movie playing at 8:30 p.m. Perfect. I'll meet you there. Deal. See you tonight. Let's dive into conversation number 19, which covers locking in a time slot with your physician. So, I would like to make an appointment with the dentist. Certainly, we have an opening on Thursday afternoon. Thursday works perfectly for me. We can book you for 3 p.m. That sounds good. May I have your name, please? Sure, it's Sarah Khan. Your appointment is confirmed. See you Thursday. Alright, guys. Conversation number 20 is super common and important. We are going to learn exactly how to ask someone for directions correctly. Okay, so are you ready? So let's take a look. Excuse me, I'm trying to find the library. It's not far from here. That's good. I am new to this area. Just go straight for 2 blocks and turn left. Will I see it from there? Yes, it's right next to the bank. Thanks a lot. You are welcome. Next up, conversation number 21, which is a quick taxi conversation. So, could you take me to the train station, please? Sure, please get in. I'm a little short on time. My train leaves in 30 minutes. Don't worry, I'll take the fastest route. I really appreciate that. We will get there as quickly as possible. Thanks. Please get in. Now for conversation number 22, which is buying a gift for your sister. So, my sister's birthday is coming up. That's exciting. Have you picked a gift yet? Not yet. I am thinking about getting her something special. She loves books and scented candles, right? Exactly. Then this gift set would be perfect for her. I love it. I'll take it. Conversation number 23, which is all about talking about housework. The house is getting a little messy. I noticed that too. I'll clean the kitchen after lunch. Great. I'll take care of the living room. Could you also do the laundry? Sure, I can handle that. Perfect. We will get everything done quickly. Yeah, so let's start. Always help your parents and siblings around the house. Guys, supporting each other makes everything easier. Next up, conversation number 24, which covers swapping phone numbers. Can I have your phone number? Sure, I'll give it to you. Thanks. I'll save it now. Do you use WhatsApp too? Yes, I use it every day. Great. I'll send you a message later. Perfect. And finally, we have conversation number 25 on saying goodbye. Let's learn how to end a conversation so beautifully that they will be dying to meet you next time. Okay, so let's take a look. I really enjoyed talking to you today. Me too. It was a great catching up. We should definitely do this again. Absolutely. Let's not wait too long this time. I'll give you a call next week. Sounds good. Take care. You too. See you soon. So, guys, how many new conversations did you learn today? Always remember, you can never master English without practice. So, keep practicing and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Take care.